This video will be your guide to making the smoothest hummus ever. First, start by soaking dry chickpeas until doubled in size. You will need to remove the outer layer of the chickpeas. This can be achieved by boiling your chickpeas in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Start boiling your chickpeas on high heat. Once the water starts to foam up, stir the foam back into the water and lower the heat to medium. Cook for about 1 hour or until all of the water has evaporated. Set aside your chickpeas until they have cooled down. Once they have cooled down, add them into a food processor and blend them up for about 5 minutes. Next, you will need to dilute your mixture with ice. Not only will ice smoothen out your hummus, but it will also change the color to a more beige color. Once your ice has been blended in, next you will need to add in 1 cup of tahini. This will thicken up your hummus. Next, add in 75 milliliters of lemon juice. This will thin out your hummus slightly, and then add in salt to taste. You can plate up your hummus by placing your hummus on a plate and then using the back of your spoon to flatten it out and make a little well, and then add in whatever toppings. I did olive oil and some extra chickpeas.